5,000. Staff salary and arrears 40 lakhs. Member salary 6 lakhs 42,000. Library staff salary and arrears 5 lakhs. Fixed TA remuneration 80,000. PF deduction 3 lakhs. Electricity bill 25,000. Water bill 5,000. Advertisement and publicity 3 lakhs. Legal fees 15 lakhs. Refreshments for meeting 2 lakhs. Maintenance / purchase of furniture 5 lakhs. Office equipment 3 lakhs. Maintenance and purchase of computer and Xerox machine 3 lakhs. Pensionary benefits 5 lakhs. Temporary staff 9 lakhs. Miscellaneous 5 lakhs. Computerization of record 1 lakh. Computerization of records of RBI content of records of the Panchayat 1 lakh 50,000. Mutation of open space 1 lakh. Sanitation and public health and family welfare. Door-to-door collection and disposal of garbage dry 20 lakhs. Disposal of dead bodies 50,000. Expenses for fogging infected area 2 lakhs. Miscellaneous 4 lakhs. Fixed labor payment 2 lakhs. Roadside garbage / black spots 10 lakhs. Garbage daily wage laborers 6 lakhs. Sweepers at the beach 2 lakhs. Public work. Construction of drainages, roads, culverts, laying of pavers 1 crore 85 lakhs. Purchase of street lights, material poles 3 lakhs. Purchase of slabs 5 lakhs. 14 finance commission work 74 lakhs. 15 finance commission 80 lakhs 75,000. Liberation grant 50 lakhs. Purchase of traffic solar vehicles 2 lakhs. Planning and development, extension of street lights, replace of old existing poles 2 lakhs. Construction and development of segregation of dry waste 2 lakhs. Multi-purpose ground 10 lakhs. Construction and panchayat expenses pertaining to construction 2 crores. Public functions 1 lakh. MRF maintenance 2 lakhs. Vermi composting pit 2 lakhs. Baling machine maintenance and purchase of garbage equipments and machinery 5 lakhs. Repair and maintenance of existing panchayat ghar and library 5 lakhs. Laying of foundation stone of panchayat 2 lakhs. Social welfare, Alwadi room rent 70,000. Distribution of tolls 50,000. Transportation program 10,000. Senior citizen 1 lakh. Senior citizen 10,000. Disaster management fund 1 lakh. Miscellaneous 5 lakhs. Education and culture. Education activity 50,000. Sports activity 1 lakh. Cultural activity 50,000. National Day celebration 50,000. Tournament expenses 1 lakh 40,000. Felicitation of corporate 50,000. The grand total 10 crore 81 lakhs 19,130.
So is it deficit or is it surplus? Surplus or surplus?
Behind, backside. Backside.
But actually budget includes the receipt side. That is an income. Otherwise, we are going to approve surplus.
That should have been shown in receipts. FDs.
The balance at bank and
Opening balance. Opening balance.
Identify the
Opening balance 7 crore 30 lakhs. Opening balance
that opening balance is the last year's closing balance is the opening balance for this year.
Opening balance is including the FD.
Okay, after
Fixed deposit is opening balance and fixed deposit.
receipt side up discuss करूया ना पहिले receipt side को discuss करूया ना आता तुझे ना आता है 14 finance commission के actually you have not spent anything
74 lakh तशी आहे.
that is in discuss
That will be utilized for the garbage by the government. So panchayat fund as we use Kurmana in the future. So they will India this memorandum with the government to utilize that money for garbage payment or garbage payment.
we said is 60% for the garbage
No, so they 60-40
that's the list 15 finance
yeah, 40 finance already gone. So they have that use
you all have not utilized that fund
74 lakhs in use.
Gale.
Still there in the panchayat.
headed up
31st March.
Still there in the panchayat. So our government and fund will be utilized for the garbage. Panchayati and आपला panchayat fund is not to be utilized.
for the garbage
तो आपला panchayati fund use करता है नो तो utilize करता नो होय.
no henceforth will be government will be providing that
No. Was 74 आहाच आहे आपलं. That amount will be utilized for the garbage. मागे so त्यांचे पहिले आमचे use आहे.
योग पास आहे ना
Notification.
नोटिफिकेशन
Assembly उरलेलं आहे ते मी already.
असेंब्ली ऑलरेडी उरलेलं आहे पण योग पास आहे
पण काय येईल?
येईल ना maximum provision कोण दो garbage side
74 lakh तो ते
expenditure provision क्या that is going to be from the panchayat fund
पंचायत
फ्लेक्स स्पॉटाक रोला हा रोड साइडाक रोला हा आणि रोड डोर टू डोर त्यांना सेपरेट रोला प्लस बीच साइड बिल्डिंगाक
okay this 50 lakhs is there
50 lakhs तो आमचे पंचायत
so police liberation fund
पंचायत
त्या पंचायत घरा यूज करतो
next receipt is
आज गेलते पाटी हे प्रोविजन दोलो हे परचेस करपा झेरॉक्स मशीन 2 computers आणि एक फॉगिंग मशीन प्रिंटर
Fogging
ते
machine
सगळे गेला हांव पंचायतीन
fogging machine now fogging machine see will have to go as per the individual na
2 years
ना की मेल का सांगत हांव
ना
प्रोविजन दोलो हे
fogging machine actual काय नाम आहे
ना ते लास्ट टाइम बजेट
Gram Sabha was like it's a very cordial thing here that happens in Kolba. But we had some vital issues like changing of the pumping station from near the church to an opposite place. The lawyer was advising that we go to court to change the place, which was a misguide. So we have told the Sarpanch and the body that when you change the NOC from this spot to that spot, you don't need to go to court. Now that's one issue. Second issue is that one panchayat clerk, he was putting mischievously, he used to put a clause there that NOC, this NOC that is issued will be revoked if there's any complaint. So now that is completely undemocratic and there's no natural justice. So we brought it to the notice of the panchayat and then they have agreed to change that. And also there are these vendors who sell vegetables. So we have asked the panchayat to ask them to put boards of their rates every day and to give receipts, bills or whatever that. So because they rattle any amount and then they cheat people. And also these same vegetable vendors don't have any licenses to run the establishment. So we have asked the panchayat to either give it to them or ask them to leave.